Hello everyone, this is Bertina Amy here and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos. And otherwise, welcome back to my channel. I hope you find these videos useful. So in today's video, I thought I would show you how I made this DIY Dollar Tree Winter Wonderland Centerpiece. This video is initially inspired by my DIY Dollar Tree meets Temu Winter Wonderland wreath. It is also inspired by my DIY Dollar Tree Halloween wreath and centerpiece, so I thought I would do one for Christmas. So I picked up this green floral foam from the Dollar Tree, and I grabbed these white floral picks from the Dollar Tree as well. And I also got these beautiful sparkling blue floral pieces from Temu. They came 12 in a pack, so I had more than enough to cover this entire thing. So I decided to just kind of play around with it and see what kind of arrangement I would like, and decided on a similar pattern to the one I made for Halloween. So I just decided to alternate the white with the blue, and the very top, because the blue is so pretty, I decided to try to combine all of them into one big floral stem to be at the top. And once I liked my arrangement, I just decided to hot glue it all down. You'll notice that I pulled apart the pieces for the white floral stems from Temu. It's because that they were so large that it felt like it wouldn't fit this green floral foam. So those extra pieces I decided to put back into this DIY Dollar Tree photo frame box I created as a centerpiece. Also, I don't know about how everyone else might do their own floral arrangements with these floral foam pieces, but I absolutely do not like the texture feeling, and I feel like it gets crummy when you're touching it with your skin. It's almost like it just kind of falls apart in a sense, like not totally, but it just kind of, I don't know, I've just never been a fan of it. So I decided to keep the plastic on and then go ahead and hot glue my floral stems into place. I'll try to remember to include the link from Temu for these floral stems. They have other colors. The red one is also really gorgeous if you prefer red for your floral arrangements. So like in my Halloween DIY centerpiece, I actually added those fairy lights surrounding it, and with this one I really didn't feel like it needed it, so I opted against it, but you certainly can also add them around your floral arrangement before setting it inside of the clear case for your centerpiece. I absolutely love how this turned out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.